In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Constant Contact and run your first email campaign. We'll start by getting your Constant Contact account and profile ready. After you sign in, head to your profile settings and fill out your business details, including a physical mailing address. This isn't just for professionalism, it helps keep your emails compliant and adds credibility to your footer. Upload your logo, set your brand colors and fonts, and save these as default so every message looks consistent and on brand without extra work later. Next, bring in your audience. You can import contacts from a spreadsheet, paste them in, or add them one by one. Organize people into clear lists like customers, prospects, or event attendees so you can send the right message to the right group. Keep your lists clean by removing duplicates and outdated addresses, and always make sure everyone you add has given permission to receive your emails. A tidy, permission-based list improves deliverability and engagement. Now, create your email campaign using a clean, mobile-friendly template. Choose a layout that's simple and easy to scan, ideally with a single column and clear sections. Start with a straightforward subject line and a helpful pre-header that supports it. Keep your copy concise, use short paragraphs, and break up text with headers so your main point is obvious at a glance. Personalization makes a big difference. Insert a first name greeting where appropriate and speak directly to your readers' needs. Add relevant links and images that support your message and write one clear primary call to action, like shop now, register today, or learn more. Place it high on the page and repeat it once more near the end if it serves the same purpose. Use descriptive link text, add alt text to images for accessibility, and keep image sizes optimized so your email loads quickly. Before moving on, preview on desktop and mobile and send yourself a test to double-check links, formatting, and any personalization fields. When you're ready, schedule or send at the right time. Select the list you organized earlier, confirm the time zone, and pick a send time when your audience is likely to check email, often mid-morning or early afternoon on weekdays. Consistency helps, so aim to send around the same time for future campaigns. After sending, review your reports. Look at opens, clicks, and overall engagement to learn what resonated. See which links attracted attention, note subject lines that earned higher opens, and check for unsubscribes or bounces. Use those insights to refine your next email. Tweak your subject, adjust your send time, sharpen your call to action, and keep your design clean. Repeat that improvement loop, and your results will keep getting better.